Hello everyone, welcome all to Commodities and Currencies Research Club. I am Rohan Vajirkar. I'll be taking you through the short term outlook for the crude oil prices and natural gas as well. To begin with, on 14th of this month, we saw crude oil prices breaking below the triangular formation, and on MCX, it made a low of 5,300. Again, we saw some pullback or the fight back from the bulls where it took the prices to 5,900 levels. But currently, if you look at the prices, they are trading at 5,700 levels, which is pretty shy of that mark. Talking about fundamentals, we saw inventory build up and also saw the rig counts which rose. And this basically added further pressure to the prices as well. Now, if you look at the technical structure, prices are trading in a lower top, lower bottom formation. And until and unless 6,200 is not breached on the upside on the closing basis, the trend will remain negative. On the downside, the next support stands at 5,300 and 5,000. And even if 5,000 is breached on the downside, there is a possibility that 4,700 can be tested on the downside. Now, this was about crude oil prices. Now, moving to natural gas. Natural gas, if you look at the current prices, they are trading at the lowest point of the December from 2020. On the daily chart, they are basically drifting on the downside, and the fundamental news, that is the inventories were also supportive this week, but we did not see any major fightbacks from the bull, and prices were basically drifting on the downside. Technical structure, again, it remains on the bearish side. Until and unless 200 is not breached on the upside on the closing basis, we don't see any reversal at this point of time. On the downside, 188, which the prices are currently trading, remains a support. If that is taken out, then we could see prices sliding to the next support of 177, and even prices could test a low of 165 for this week. So to sum it up, the energy price is basically, or the energy pack is basically looking negative. For the perspective of the trend reversal, 6,200 for the crude oil prices is very crucial. Only above 6,200, the trend reversal will happen. Until unless that doesn't take out on the closing basis, we sense on the downside 5,300 and 5,000 can be tested on the lower end for crude oil. Now for NG, 200 remains a crucial resistance. If that is not taken out, the trend remains on the bearish side, and on the downside, 177 and 165 can be tested on the lower end. So that's it for my side. Thank you for joining this live session. In the next week, we'll be again coming in with the such kind of research insights. So stay tuned. Thank you so much.